Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Olabisi, your favorite Yoruba tutor, and in this video we are going to be learning conversations based on emergency phrases. When there's an emergency, you need to ask for help, how to say it in Yoruba language. But then, if this is the first time here, this is the first time watch my videos, this is the first time see my face, ensure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And to my subscribers, thank you very much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So let's get down to business. Sit tight and let's start learning. So the first phrase we are going to be learning is help. 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 So probably something happened and you're trying to call for help. 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 Egba wa o. Egba wa o. And then if it's only you, you say egba mi o. Egba mi o. But if you people that you're asking for help you are actually many, so it's not only you say egba wa help us, egba mi o, help me. Second one, you need someone to stop going or stop running or whatever. That you need to say stop, duro. That's the casual way. The polite way is say duro. Then the third one is fire. Probably there's a fire burning in a place or somewhere. You need to raise the alarm. You need to shout for help. You need to call for help about the fire. Then you say, you know. Fourth one is thief. Probably there's a robbery going on and you have to make the alarm. You have to call for help. An emergency situation. Just say ole is thief. So you keep shouting ole egba mi o, egba wa o, help us, help me, ole. Okay, so the fifth one is run. Probably you are in a danger, you are in an emergency situation where you need to survive, where you need to run for help, you need to run for your dear life. So you say sare. Probably you are talking to your male, to your people you need to talk to casually. So you say sare, or politely say sare na, sare. Okay, so the sixth of, is it fifth or sixth one? I'm not even counting. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so the next one is call the police. Pe ọlọ́pàá. That's the casual way. The polite way is pe ọlọ́pàá. Now the fifth, oh sorry. Sorry, my bad. The next one, I'm not going to. Okay, the next one, call the doctor. Pe dókítà. Hold on. Dókítà is this Yoruba translation for doctor. But then, if you are in an urban town, urban area, the Yoruba urban area of Yoruba land, probably like Lagos, Abuja, and so on like that, not village, you need to just say doctor so that they will understand what they are saying quickly, because not even everyone knows the Yoruba translation. Do you get me? So you just say doctor one now, doctor. Do you get it now? Okay, so the next one is you are at the hospital, you need to see a doctor. You need to tell the nurses that hey ma'am, hey sis, I need the doctor. I need to see the doctor. Mo fẹ́ rí dókítà. I need to see the doctor. I need the doctor. Mo fẹ́ rí dókítà. Okay, so let's do that now. So the next phrase is, are you okay? Show wa dada. Oh no, I'm sick. Ara mi ò yá. Probably you are sick, so you won't take person as no, you're not okay, you are sick. Ara mi ò yá. Or I'm injured. Mo gbégbò. Egbo is injury or wound. So mo gbégbò, or you say mo ní ìpalára. If something pa ọ́ lára, it means that something affects you, so that is an injury or a wound. So mo ní ìpalára tàbí, or you say mo gbégbò. Urgent. It's urgent. Ó gbà kíákíá. Probably something is going on there. You need someone attention and it's very urgent. You need someone urgent attention to take care of the situation on the ground. And you say, ó gbà kíákíá. Ẹ yára, be fast. Be quick. Ẹ ṣe kíákíá. Be quick, be fast. Ẹ ṣe. Next one is accident. accident. The local, the native translation for accident is ìjàmbá. Ìjàmbá. So it now depends on what type of accident it is. If it's motor accident, then you say ìjàmbá ọkọ̀. Then say ìjàmbá wà mí báyìí o. Ìjàmbá wà mí báyìí o. They had an accident. Wọ́n ní ìjàmbá ọkọ̀ or whatever type of accident it is. But though in most civilized part of Yoruba land, they mostly use Yoruba English. Yes, I call that combination, that combo, Yoruba English, because they mix English with Yoruba, just borrowed language. So you can just say as àwọn ènìyàn ní accidents, àwọn ènìyàn ní accidents, on accidents ní bíbí, àwọn kan accidents. Do you understand? But the real one to sound more native is what? Ìjàmbá. Don't forget that. So the next phrase I will be teaching you is calm down, farabalẹ̀. If you have been following my shorts, my videos, you will have learned this already. You know this already. Calm down is what? Farabalẹ̀. For polite, you say farabalẹ̀, ẹ ní sùúrù, be patient. Be patient. Okay, then you want to ask for help. Can you help me? Can you help me? Ṣé o lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́? Ṣé o lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́? For polite way, you say ṣé ẹ lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́? Ṣé ẹ lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́? Please help me. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. For the casual way, jọ̀ọ́ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Jọ̀ọ́ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Jọ̀ọ́ ràn mí lọ́wọ́. Then probably someone is sick and some other person needs probably first aid treatment or some medicine to like probably cool down and save the person or whatever. So you need a pharmacy. You need to ask where the closest pharmacy is. Ibo ni ilé olóògùn òyìnbó tó súnmọ́ jùlọ? Seems so long, right? Hold on, I will break it down for you. Ibo ni ilé olóògùn òyìnbó tó súnmọ́ jùlọ? Ibo ni ilé olóògùn òyìnbó tó súnmọ́ jùlọ? Where is the closest pharmacy? So if you are still here by now, it means you are learning. So do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to be a subscriber. Like this video, comment. I want to see people comment. I want you to comment, please. Do that. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.